Hi everyone, let's connect with another MySQL problem solving questions. The topic of this video is about group by and aggregate functions. So both we will be looking here. So this is how group by and I mean the aggregate functions are working. So using those two topics, we'll be solving I think 5 to 6 questions. So for that I want to show my data. This is my data, this complete data. This is my raw data. So from this raw data, I'll taking, so from this questions, we'll be looking some, retrieved and derived columns. For example, this is first questions. So write a query to list the number of jobs available in the employee table. This is the employee table and along with employee ID, first name, last name, and some of the fields are there. So from this, the client wants those number of jobs available in this particular table. So like that, selecting job ID, you know, we'll selecting count of distinct job ID from this. Okay, from my data. So we have 19 jobs are available in this table. Okay, this is how we use the aggregate count function. The distinct keyword will be duplicates are removed, only unique jobs are available, will be retrieved, and those retrieved jobs will count. The count is 19. Okay. The next question is write a query to get the maximum salary of an employee is working as a FI financial account. Okay. So for that, select some maximum salary they want, the maximum salary from my data. Okay. So where that job ID is equal to this fin account. Okay. If I execute this, I'll get 9,000. If you want job ID also, you can select job ID. You can check the job IDs also. And this maximum. So this is how the maximum salary of this financial account jobs is getting. Okay. So next one is write a query to get the average salary and number of employees working in the department 90. Okay. So for that, I'll select department ID, average aggregate function, salary, um, data, where where department ID is equal to, they want number of salary. Okay, average salary and number of employees. Okay, so they want this count also. So you use count of all three. Those department ID 90, the average salary is this one. And if you want to round them, you can also round them using round function, putting them the decimal value 0. So you will get rounded value. Okay. Next question. Right, equality get the highest and lowest sum average salary of all employees. For example, in getting first one is so max minimum salary, maximum salary, minimum always sum. So here it is average, here it is sum. Okay, so this is yeah, it was comma here. In my data table. Okay, here if you want you can use alias. Salary as minimum SA as AVGSA as total SA. And this is how we are getting maximum salary of our employees. If you want their value to be rounded without decimal, please use round function, putting the decimal at 0. So here also round average value 0. And here also round 0. So if you retrieve this data, if you select this data, you will get the rounded values. Next one, we will get the number of employees with the same job. So select, job ID, job ID, data. So we have grouped them using group by function. We group all those values, then we will check the each employees. So there will be employees count. Select and see employees count of each department. It's actually grouped. Okay, next one, write the query to get the department ID and the total salary value in each department. So for that, I will select department ID. But they want total salary, you use some function. Okay, some function salary. Again, I want to use here round function to avoiding decimals. 0 as total salary alias name. Okay, from my data. Okay, here in each department, and we have to group them by the department ID. Okay, let's check the values. Yes, if you want order by department ID, also possible. Okay, this is the department ID, and there, after this department ID, there is a sum of salary in each department because we group them, the departments and their total salaries. Okay, so this is the end of this questions, and this video is about solving MySQL group by and aggregate function. Thank you guys. Thank you. Bye.